Introducing the EH-216 by EHang, the world's leading passenger-grade autonomous aerial vehicle. The EH-216 is a revolutionary aircraft that can fly you to your destination with ease, comfort, and safety. The EH-216 has 16 propellers and 8 arms that can fold up for easy storage and transportation. It can carry up to 2 passengers or 485 pounds of payload. It can fly at a maximum speed of 80 miles per hour and has a range of 18 miles with max payload. It uses electric power and has a full redundancy design for all major flight components to ensure safety. It can be remotely controlled and managed by the EHang Command and Control Center that can monitor, dispatch, and coordinate multiple AAVs simultaneously. It can be used for various applications such as urban air mobility, smart city management, aerial media, and emergency rescue. It is a game changer for the future of transportation and mobility. The Jetson One is a pioneering eVTOL company with a mission to change the way we travel. They aim to make the skies available for everyone with their safe and affordable personal electric aerial vehicle. It is a beautiful and lightweight design in aluminum and carbon fiber that is incredibly fun to fly. It has 8 powerful motors, driving an equal amount of propellers. The propulsion system has a massive power output, making flight effortless and fun. It has a race car-inspired safety cell that protects the pilot, can sustain continuous flight with the loss of one motor, has an auto-land function, and multiple safety features to protect the pilot in case of an emergency. The Jetson One is also very easy to fly. Their unique flight computer makes flying extremely easy. Your left hand controls altitude, while the right controls direction, an intuitive system that makes everyone a pilot in less than 5 minutes. And the best part is, you don't need a pilot's license to fly the Jetson One in the United States. This aerial vehicle can fly for 20 minutes on a single charge and reach speeds of up to 63 miles per hour. It can also fold up for easy transport and storage. This is the first affordable eVTOL on the market, with a price tag of $98,000 for new clients. You can order one now and get it delivered in 2024. Have you ever dreamed of flying like a bird? Imagine soaring above the clouds, feeling the wind in your face, and exploring new places with ease. Well, now you can, thanks to Opener, a company that is revolutionizing personal aviation with their electric vertical takeoff and landing eVTOL vehicle, Blackfly. Blackfly is not a drone, nor a helicopter, nor a plane. It is a new kind of aircraft that combines the best features of all 3. It is designed to be safe, easy to operate, and environmentally friendly. It can take off and land almost anywhere without the need for a runway or a license. It can fly up to 25 miles at speeds of up to 62 miles per hour, depending on the model and regulations, and it can do all that with 0 emissions and minimal noise. It is the result of 9 years of development and testing by Opener, a team of engineers and innovators led by Canadian inventor Marcus Lang. Opener has flown over 5,000 flights and 16,000 propulsion system cycles with their prototypes, demonstrating the reliability and performance of their technology. The price as of this video has not been confirmed by the company as yet. The Volante Vision concept is a luxury concept aircraft with vertical takeoff and landing (VTOL) capabilities. It is designed to offer a fast, efficient, and congestion-free way of traveling in urban and intercity environments. The concept aircraft is powered by a hybrid electric propulsion system and can accommodate up to 3 adults. Volante Vision concept is expected to have a range of 500 miles and a cruising speed of 250 miles per hour. Aston Martin expects their aircraft to cost around $9.2 million. The Velocity Volocopter is a type of urban air taxi that can fly vertically and silently using electric power. It has 2 seats and 18 rotors and can reach a speed of up to 68 miles per hour. It is designed to meet the safety standards of the European Union Aviation Safety Agency. You can fly whisper quiet and emission-free, reducing noise and air pollution in urban areas. connecting passengers with key transportation hubs like train stations and airports, thus enabling seamless, faster, and more convenient urban travel. It is expected to launch commercially in Paris by summer 2024. The price of a Velocity Volocopter is not publicly available yet, but it is estimated to cost around €300,000. The Aero Mobile 4.0 is a flying car that can transform from a car to an aircraft in less than 3 minutes. It is designed and manufactured by Aero Mobile, a company based in Slovakia. The flying car can travel up to 1,000 kilometers on the road and up to 740 kilometers in the air. It can reach a top speed of 99 miles per hour on the road and around 160 miles per hour in the air. It has a hybrid propulsion system with a turbocharged internal combustion engine and a constant speed propeller. It also has advanced safety features such as ballistic recovery parachute system, integral carbon fiber structure, and autonomous flight via current autopilot technology. The price of the flying car is around $1.6 million. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more content, and as always, thanks for watching.